Hello, and welcome to another episode of Legit or Scam, where we investigate trending health claims to uncover the truth. Today, we're diving into the buzz surrounding the so-called pink salt trick for weight loss. This method has been making waves online with ads and videos claiming rapid weight loss without the need for diet or exercise. But does it really work? Let's find out. The claims. You've probably seen ads featuring testimonials of people allegedly losing significant amounts of weight, some over 60 pounds, in just a few weeks, all thanks to a pink salt mixture. These promotions often suggest that this concoction mimics the effects of weight loss drugs like Mounjaro, but naturally and without side effects. They also create a sense of urgency, implying that major weight loss companies want to suppress this information, urging you to act quickly before the video disappears. Red flags. Several warning signs suggest these claims may not be trustworthy. AI-generated content. Many of these videos are entirely AI-generated. The visuals may show a person speaking, but the voice is synthetic, and the movements often appear unnatural. Misleading links. Clicking on provided links often leads to unrelated websites, sometimes containing irrelevant articles, which raises questions about the legitimacy of the original claim. Unrealistic results. Claims of losing 60 to 90 pounds in just a few weeks are not only improbable, but also potentially dangerous. Health experts agree that a safe and sustainable rate of weight loss is typically 1 to 2 pounds per week. Rapid weight loss can lead to muscle loss, nutrient deficiencies, and other serious health risks. Universal effectiveness. The suggestion that this method works for everyone, regardless of age or circumstances, is misleading. Weight loss is a complex process influenced by factors like metabolism, medical conditions, and lifestyle. No single solution is universally effective. False media coverage. Some ads claim that major news networks like NBC, Fox News, and ABC have featured this method. However, a thorough search reveals no credible sources reporting on this so-called pink salt trick. Using reputable company names without providing real references is a common tactic in fake weight loss promotion. Conspiracy tactics. Statements suggesting that billion-dollar weight loss companies want to hide this trick are designed to make the method appear more credible by implying it's a suppressed secret. In reality, this is a psychological ploy to pressure viewers into quick action without proper research. The pink salt recipe. So, what exactly is this pink salt mixture? Typically, it includes ingredients like pink Himalayan salt, lemon juice, apple cider vinegar, honey, cayenne pepper, and water. This combination resembles common detox drinks that have been around for some time. While some of these ingredients may offer mild health benefits, such as aiding digestion or providing electrolytes, there is no scientific evidence to support claims that this drink can burn fat or lead to rapid weight loss. Scientific perspective. Pink Himalayan salt is often marketed as a healthier alternative to regular table salt, purportedly containing up to 84 different minerals and trace elements. However, research indicates that these minerals are present in such small quantities that they are unlikely to provide any measurable health benefits. For example, to meet the recommended daily amount of potassium, one would need to consume an unrealistic amount of pink salt. Moreover, our bodies are equipped with natural detoxification systems involving the liver and kidneys, making the concept of a detox drink unnecessary. Claims that pink salt can balance electrolytes or detoxify the body lack scientific backing. Conclusion. The pink salt trick for weight loss appears to be another in a long line of fad diets and quick fix solutions that don't hold up under scrutiny. While the drink itself is unlikely to be harmful if consumed in moderation, it won't result in the dramatic weight loss promised in these ads. Sustainable weight loss requires a balanced diet, regular exercise, and consistency. Be cautious of such scams and always research thoroughly before trying new health trends. If you're interested in products that have been vetted for quality and effectiveness, check out the discounted links in the description and pinned comments below. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit. Stay informed and stay healthy.